Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is your girl Dalou. I am back from Dubai. Thanks to all of you who have watched my vlog. I hope you have enjoyed it. Guys, you know, before I left for Dubai, I was showing you how I did a makeover in my guest bedroom. I did the entire makeover in approximately an hour, and I did not spend any money to do this makeover. I totally shopped my home to totally upgrade the room. Even I was amazed with the result and how quick I did everything. So the reason I decided to do the makeover, well, I did not plan on doing a makeover. All I wanted to do was fix the bed, because when we were going to Dubai, my in-laws were the one who were gonna stay with the kids. This is what the room looks like originally. As you can see, it was totally neglected. I wasn't doing much with it. You know, it was COVID time, nobody really coming over. The morning before my in-laws came, I woke up, I said I'm going to fix the bed to get ready for them. Y'all know I love white sheets, so of course I'm going to have white sheets on the bed. But true story, I started using white sheets for guests before I start using it for myself, because I want guests to see that the sheets are clean. I think it gives them a peace of mind. It is springtime. I did not want to use a heavy comforter, so I'm having a quilt set. You can find quilt set on my website, glamstylehomedecor.com. My mother-in-law loves a comfy bed, so I had in a velvet sheet to make it extra comfy and comfortable for her. I threw in a dusty pink pillow to give a little bit of color and warmth into the room. You can find this super beautiful pillow on my website. I only had an hour because short I started fixing the bed. I had to go down to Brooklyn to do my hair. If you watch my vlog, so you know what I'm talking about. I went down, and as I started fixing the bed, this is when I decided to do a makeover. For my nightstand, of course, I did not have any nightstands available for me to use on the side of the bed. So I'm going to be using these end tables. You guys have been seeing them in my former living room. I got them from HomeSense a couple of years ago. As I said, it was not a planned project. Under normal circumstances, I would start by removing everything inside the room before I start decorating. But this time, things were getting done out of order. Practically, I was just doing things, just throwing things. I'm gonna take this moment to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. I upload glam home decor, DIY, a little bit of cleaning, a little bit of lifestyle. If you're interested in any of these things, please hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you can get notified once I upload a new video. And to all of you, my fellow Glam Squad, thanks for stopping by today. The lamp is acting up a little bit, so I'm gonna wait for the hubby to fix it for me. Of course, I summoned him to come over to help me out with the curtains while I'm putting away the things that do not belong in the bedroom. These are the curtains that I had in here, you guys. As you can see, everything about them was just horrible. At this point, I still don't know which curtains or where I'm gonna find curtains to put in there. I just know that I don't want these curtains. They have to go, and I have to go find new curtains to put in there. I bought in a plant. You guys will see more of it later. I still don't have curtains yet, but I am going to add a rug. This rug used to be in my living room. I had removed it, I think, a couple of years ago, but I had saved it. I never threw it away or sold it. Now it's gonna be perfect in the bedroom because it is such a plush rug. Many of you have been asking me, what am I gonna do with my pre-owned products, the products that I owned before I had my store? What I've decided to do is to sell them on my website. I am gonna be creating a tab labeling pre-owned products, and that's where they are going to be. I'm gonna be adding them little by little. Stay tuned at the end of the video for more information. I'm gonna add in 2 mirrors on each side of the bed. These mirrors, I got them a couple of years ago, but for some reason I never got to use them. They have been sitting down in my basement. I thought they were perfect for this room. It was time for me to run out of the house, go get my hair done. My husband stayed back and put them up for me. Now I am back from getting my hair done. My in-laws are downstairs. They are super tired. They are ready to come to bed. I only have 10 to 15 minutes to finish putting the room together. I quickly went down in the basement, grabbed this wall art, and put it up. I used the same nails that were already on the wall from the previous wall art. Then I grabbed this full length mirror that was in my other guest bedroom because I thought it would be nice to have a full length mirror here. You guys will see more of it in a minute. So today's video, guys, is sponsored by Dossier. I've been working with them for a little while now. You guys know I love Dossier. Just in case if you forgot, as a little reminder, this is what the box looks like. It's pretty sleek, very simple, modern, and neat, which I really like. All right, this is what the perfume looks like, and let me see which one that I got today. So today I got Floral Honey Suckle. It is inspired by Gucci, Bloom, or the Parfun. As always, I can never get enough of the magnetic cap. I think it is so cute and slick and different. I smell so good, you guys. The honeysuckle is very pretty. It's a very pretty smell. I love it. What a beautiful smell. It's really good. I think it's a great one for summertime because it is very fruity. It has things like green leaves, orange, jasmine sambac, and sandalwood, vanilla, just to mention a few notes. Definitely recommend it. You know it's graduation time. You don't need to break the bank. You can definitely, if you want to give one to your loved ones who are graduating, definitely a keeper for me. You already know with Dossier you pay less for more, and they never stop giving. Use my code Dalou10 that is going to be in the description box. Link for the Dossier website will be in my description box. On the window, I'm going to be adding some beautiful curtains, 2 different sets. They are from Amazon. And as you can see, we brought the curtain hooks closer to the ceiling. Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? To make the room feels and looks more luxurious, I added this throw. This is so pretty, you guys. I thought I would add this. The perfect way to say hello to a glam queen, my mother-in-law. Cause baby, I love you. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. As you can see, the rug is looking very nice, super comfy, super plush, a perfect rug for a bedroom. And then I added a sitting area. This is my old chair from my bedroom. I am using it. I could have used 2, but I was washing. I only have 1. I added some candle for a beautiful ambience in the room. Okay, so this pillow, it is a pre-owned item. It is going to be on my home decor website. I'm gonna put it on clearance. So if you guys are interested, you can definitely grab it. By the dresser area, I kept it very simple. First, the only thing that I added was a tray. It's a very nice, beautiful, gorgeous mirror tray. Okay, and this is a vase that you're gonna be able to purchase on my website with these beautiful tulips and calla lilies. They are available to purchase on my website. It's a very beautiful bouquet. It's calling spring, summer, very classic. Tonight, I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into. This is a brand new tray, you guys. I just got it in December. It's very heavy. The quality is great. This is my second time actually using it. It's gonna be available on my website as a pre-owned item. Of course, I'm not gonna be selling them regular price. I'm gonna be selling them at great discount, maybe 40, 60, even 70% of the purchase price. As I mentioned, I'm not going to be able to list all the items at once because there are so many of them. I'm going to be listing them little by little. So if you are watching an old video or you recall of an old item that you really like, you can comment me under that video. I will list that product for you. Once the product is listed, I will respond to the comment. Hopefully that is some great news for you guys because I know many of you were interested in my pre-owned items. Thanks to all of you for stopping by today. I hope you had found some inspiration in this bedroom makeover. Leave a comment below. Let me know how you think I did. Remember to hit your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that will let you know once I upload my next video. I love you all. Bye bye. Mwah.